In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Klarna payments method. So the first thing you do is you navigate to the store management section and select settings. In the settings page, you select payments. So here we are going to select the continent. So we go ahead and select North America. And then this is the Klarna payments method. So we go ahead and install and edit it. So I proceed to click on the edit button. So in the Klarna payments method settings page, so you can see that we need to provide some information here. So we need to get the Klarna merchant account username and password API details here. So for us to get this, we need to have a Klarna merchant account. You can easily create new merchant accounts by clicking this button. But since I already have my test merchant account, I go ahead and open it here. So I've already logged in. So for you to get that's the username and password API details, in the Klarna dashboard, you navigate to the settings menu. So once you select the settings, so in the settings section, you select Klarna API credentials. So here now we'll proceed to generate a new API credential. So to do that, we click on this button. So here is the new username and password API credentials. So I go ahead and copy it and paste it here. All right. So you can also download it using this option, but we won't do that. So we go ahead and then close it. So now that we've gotten the API details and added it here, the next thing we do here is we set the base URL. So you can see for the regions, we have different base URLs. So we are going to set up the test base URL. So this is for North America. So this is the one we are looking for. So we copy it and then we paste it here. So take note that there shouldn't be any spaces. So once we add that, remember that we need to be sure about the region for our Klarna merchant account before we select it here. So my test Klarna merchant account is set as North America. So the region is set as North America. So that's why I'm using this as the base URL. So the next thing we do here, we can adjust the display language for the checkout page. We set it as the United States. For these two, we set this as United States, so USD, that's the dollar currency. And then here we can set the terms of service URL. So we go ahead and add that. This should be the actual page, should be the link to your store terms of service page. So I'll just add this as an example. So here we can set the order total, that's the checkout order total, that an order must reach before this payment method becomes active. We set this as 1. So we leave this as processing. So this should be the order status that will be set for an order once a customer places an order using this payment method. So we go ahead and then enable the status. So we set the sort order number as 1, and then save. All right. So now we have set up the Klarna checkout payment method. So the next thing we have to do now is to test in the store front end. So we go ahead and open the store front end. So here we are going to place a test order. Select this product. So we proceed to checkout. All right. So I log into my account. All right. So we select delivery method. So you can see that in the payment method section, we have a new entry here called pay in 4 installments with Klarna. So we go ahead and select it. So this is the Klarna payments method. So we select it here and then proceed. So we go ahead and then confirm order. So now we'll be redirected to the Klarna checkout page. So here we can now proceed to make payments. Either we are going to do an installmental payment or we pay in full using the Klarna payment method. So this is the Klarna checkout page. So we go ahead and then fill the necessary information here. Select this and proceed. But we need to fill in other information here. So we add this. All right, so we'll now proceed to click on the continue button. So here we now have the option to make the payment. If we want to do that, we can proceed to do it here and then click on the pay button to complete the order. So in this example, I've shown you how to set up the Klarna payment method. Thank you for watching.